Njengoko befumana lemivuzo yabo abasebenzi baka-SAA khange bahlawulwe ukususela ngoMeyi kulo nyaka uphelileyo. Ezinye imanyano ziye zamkela imimiselo nemiqathango ze amalungu azo afumana imivuzo y'inyanga ezintathu. Kungonje INumsa kunye ne-Cabin Crew Association ifuna amalungu awo nawo ahlawulwe imivuzo nangone ikhabile imimiselo nemiqathango.
We want the Labour Court to declare that the decision taken by the BRPs not to pay our members their 3-month salaries is unlawful and unfair, and we want the court to compel the BRPs to pay our members their money within 7 days. We want the court to enforce the rights of our members because the labour law does not allow employers to discriminate against workers, and this applies to salaries as well. If an employer pays one group of workers, then they must ensure that all other workers are also paid, and failure to do so is discrimination. We're hoping the court will ensure that our members will receive the 3-month salary which was paid to other employees.